Hello children, today I am going to tell you a story of a bird. Long ago, there was a tiny little bird who was flying up in the sky. And she was not paying attention. She was lost. How do I know that? She came in front of the cliff, flying, 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 and she fell on the little white rock. Oh, she got so hurt. Her left wing got hurt so much that she started crying. And there was an animal who was passing from there. That animal looked like a dog or maybe a fox or maybe a wolf. Yeah, his name was Husky. And then he heard this sound and he said, I want this. I want to learn this. So he came near the little white rock where the bird was sitting quietly. It was hurt so much. And he said to the bird, little bird, teach me that song. She said, I'm not singing, I'm crying, I got hurt. He said, teach me the song or I'll eat you up. She got very upset and started crying again. He loved that song. He said, that can be my sound. I otherwise also don't have my own sound. So he started singing very happily. How did he sing? Whoa, 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 whoa. He was so happy and engrossed in singing that he did not see a big hole until he fell down the hole. Wee, pop, that he got banged on his head and he got hurt. And he was climbing up. By the time he climbed up, he had forgotten the song. He said, no, I need to go to that bird again. So he went to that bird and said to the little bird, little bird, teach me the song. She said, I told you, this is not a song. I'm crying. I got hurt. He said, teach me the song or I'll eat you up. She was again very upset. He was happy again. And then he started walking happily, singing the same song. How did he sing the song? Yes. Woo, 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 woo. Until he came near the anthill, he did not realize. And then what happened? His nose entered the anthill. He banged the anthill. And the ants were very, very angry because somebody had broken their home. They came crawling up, 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 up. They came on Husky's body. They came on Husky's nose and ears and eyes. And it was all red and they started biting him. Biting, biting, biting. And he started scratching and shaking. He shook so much that the song shook out of his mind. He wanted that song. So he again went back to the little bird. But the little bird, who was feeling a little better now, said that these 2 days that Husky has troubled me so much, I'm going to teach him the lesson. So you know what she did? She removed her feathers from her body. Pock, 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 pock. And she stuck those feathers on the little white rock. And she flew away happily to her house. Husky came near the little white rock. He still had ants around his eyes and ears and nose, but he wanted to learn the song. So he said, little bird, teach me that song. The rock couldn't reply. No. He again got angry and said, little bird, teach me the song or I'll eat you up. The rock didn't reply. He couldn't. So he got so wild, he opened his mouth wide and bit the rock. He got his own sound after he bit that rock. From that day, Husky started barking like this. You know, children, this is a story from Native America. If you have liked this story, do share it with your friends and family. Bye for now.